Hi, I'm George from Spy Camera CCTV and I'm here today to talk to you about our Gamut wireless battery operated CCTV system. The beauty of this system is that it's a DIY kit and it's very easy to use at home and you can do it yourself. Now, what you get within the pack is you get a recorder wireless base station that needs to be powered in the mains, and then you get as many cameras that are battery operated. The ease of this means that with installation, put the battery in, pop it up on the wall and away you go. Now, within this kit today, you get our recorder wireless base station and then as many cameras as you purchased. The way these work is that you connect the recorder to the mains power, and then this creates its own Wi-Fi signal that the cameras then connect into. You can have up to 6 cameras and they're all battery operated. That giving you flexibility to put them pretty much anywhere you like around the house and you're able to get that video back. Now, being battery operated, we do have to conserve power. So the way that these cameras work is that they run on a low voltage PIR circuit, and these sensors are designed to pick up motion with heat signatures. So that's animals, vehicles, people, okay? And while that's going on, basically what happens is the moment that the sensor picks something up, it then wakes the camera up and it starts recording. This means that we can conserve battery and they last for longer. If you're pointing this camera at a busy area, you get maybe about a month's worth of battery life, and you get about 6 months maybe in a quiet area, depending on how much video footage and how much movement and how many people are going in and out. In terms of installing, it's very simple. Pop the battery in, and then the cameras are 3-way adjustable. So you can twist and turn them any way you want to get them adjusted so you can have it set up and easily installed. This system is designed that you can then connect this to the mains or to a TV monitor to review your footage, and you're able also, through a really slick little app that we have, able to view your footage and review your cameras. With this as well, we do have a few accessories that we do sell. So one of them is an additional battery, perfect for having charged and ready to go for when the app tells you that the battery is running low, and then all you need to do is go up to the camera, pull it out and switch. Easy as that. You can also purchase additional cameras, as I said earlier, up to 6. And we do actually, if you want to not run it without battery, we do a waterproof cable connection. And this obviously just plugs into the bottom of the camera and then it runs just off the mains. Thank you very much for watching our video today. And if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to drop us an email or give us a call.